All right, welcome back, pure structure traders. Today in Hawaii is January 14th, 2021. I believe in other places such as London and also on Eastern Standard Time, it's going to be the 15th of January. Today we're going to be going over some levels on S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some ideas of what we're looking to trade during the London session and potentially even into the US session. So we are going to start on a 10 tick here for S&P 500. And once we go over that, we'll review gold as well. So let's take a look at S&P here real quickly. S&P is coming down to a main level of support right here. 37.6525 is one of my main levels of support that I want to see this market try to bounce from. Now, if we do get that support coming in, want to see maybe like a double bottom pull back up to somewhere right around either 37.75 first, and then 37.80 is going to be the next idea of the actual trade. If we do get up into these 37.80s, do want to see if we get that first rejection. My idea is to allow price to break through that level. From there, we'll try to look to see if we can get up into these 85 to 90s, and then above that you can see 95, 3800. All right, but our first area of interest is going to see if we get this continuation of a downtrend or if we get this bounce from support. You can see we are in a downtrend right now. So in order to continue that, want to see this market break below, come back, retest, and then continue the actual move to the downside. But if we are going to get some support, it'll probably be a nice maybe double bottom, break back up to the upside right around these 75s first and then to those 80s. That's going to be probably more of what I'm looking for. See if we can get that nice double bottom move and then try to continue to move back up to the upside. But we'll see if we get an opportunity to do that. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quickly on S&P. See what we got here. So you can see S&P, we can identify that it did pull down a little bit deeper, and you can see the market popped up and is trying to retest that low. Do want to see if we can get that bounce again and then try to pull it up right into these 76s here, 75, 76, and then above that into those 80s. That's going to be a decent opportunity. But again, if you're continuing to look for that downside, let the market break that low and then continue to retest as resistance and pull it back down from there. Let's take a look at gold on a 10 tick chart here real quickly. So gold was moving up in an uptrend for the most part of today. You can see we had a nice bounce at 1837.1, and we continue to go higher from there. So gold, I am looking at this level 1846.2 as a level of support. Get that nice bounce off this level and then try to continue it to 52 and through that level of resistance. If we can get through it, then we're going to be looking for the upside, maybe right around this level of 53.8, and then above that you can see 57.5 is our next level. Now, if we can't break through this level, we'll see the market continue to try to retest this area, maybe consolidate. But if we want to go lower, got to get below this level, retest as resistance, and continue to come down from there. All right, but if we're looking for a continuation along right here, 46.2 is my first area for the continuation along. Now let's take a look at gold on a 5 tick, see if we got something closer for you guys. So we are coming right off that level. Well, didn't get all the way to it, but getting close to it. 46.2 is my level of interest, but want to see if we can actually get it to pull down there. If we can, then that's going to be a nice area of support that I'm looking at for the market to hold and continue back up into these 52. So I'm probably going to be a little bit patient here, allow that market to pull down a little bit deeper, and then go for it. Now, if it just shoots right back up without me, that's okay. It will go without me. It happens. But if it gets to this level of resistance, can't get through, that's going to be another opportunity to come right back down into the level of support from there. Maybe a nice double top would be good to see that market try to pull down from there. But again, trend is still bullish, so want to keep that in mind when we're looking to trade, that the longs are probably going to be the more stronger moves as of right now. So we'll get the momentum off the low of support and continue from there. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on the YouTube channel, or you can message us here at purestructuredtrading.com. You can also visit the website. Again, if you are interested when we do launch, just go ahead and put your email in there and you will get a message as soon as we start the launch there. Alright guys, you guys take care. Have a great night.